What's good, gaming freaks? GadInsider here, and Elden Ring Nightreign just launched. Wanna conquer Limveld with smooth 60 frames per second and stunning visuals? We've got the best PC graphics settings to make it happen. Let's dive in. Nightreign's a beast, but frame pacing issues can hit hard in busy battles. Stick with us for the ultimate graphics settings to keep your game smooth and Limveld looking epic. Elden Ring Nightreign is out, and this roguelike gem runs surprisingly well on most PCs with low system requirements. But to avoid frame rate drops in those intense Limveld battles, you need the right graphics setup. Here's the deal for a stable 60 frames per second without sacrificing visuals. Set display resolution to native, texture quality to high if your VRAM can handle it, and keep anti-aliasing and SSAO on high to avoid distorted visuals. Shadow quality, lighting quality, and reflection quality should also stay high for that from software polish. For effects quality, go medium to boost performance without losing flare. Shader quality can be medium to high based on your VRAM, and grass quality works great at medium for balance. Volumetric lighting, keep it high for Limveld's vibe, but drop water surface quality to low. It's barely noticeable. Depth of field and motion blur, that's your call. Toggle based on preference. Pro tip, update your GPU drivers and verify game files to dodge glitches. Some players with high-end GPUs like RTX 50 series reported frame drops, so tweak effects quality and shader quality if needed. These settings keep Nightreign's co-op chaos smooth and stunning. Ready to slay in Limveld? Which settings work best for you? Drop them in the comments.